Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be doing a vlog style type of video. So I just filmed a try on haul for you guys, and I have a bunch of clothes here that I have to hang up and put them back where they go. I also have to organize my beauty room because there's a bunch of makeup that I used and didn't put back in its place. So we will do that. Here are all the clothes that have to hang, and using these hangers, put them in my closet where they belong. So yeah, we'll just do a little time lapse of that. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now that we are done with that, all I have to do is clean my beauty room and just give it a good clean because there's a mess. I'm gonna show you guys, so yeah, don't be scared. So this is my mess. These are all my hair products. I have some makeup laying out there from today, and then my drawers of makeup go there. My desk is over here. I brought some cleaning supplies so that we can clean the mirror and everything like that. The floors are super dirty, and then I have a box over here of just trash and packages that came. So yeah, let's get started. Excuse my pajama pants. It's just really cold, so I wanted to be comfy. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of my makeup collection. So here I have all of my liquid lipsticks, more lipsticks, and some of my eyeshadow palettes. And then down here I have like blushes, bronzers, highlighters, face palettes in the back, more lipsticks and lip liners, mascaras. And over here is like my face drawer. And it's so heavy that I can't even push it. And then I have like face products in here and then hair products in here. So today we're going to clean that. Look how dirty that is. Look at that. Yeah, so I have some extensions back there. This mirror is super dirty as well. Then I have another mirror here. My beauty room. I have no idea. They were your responsibility. Yeah, and why are you playing in the shower? Okay guys, so let me show you. And here I have a mess. I have to put these eyelashes back where they go. I think they're right here. Throw things away. Oh shit. I'm not used to vlogging. And then I have a bunch of makeup brushes. So let's just organize these. you have to move everything to different freaking angles. I did not know how much time these would take. Okay, so we're almost kind of done. Just have to put a few nail stuff back in my case right here. This is where I keep all of my nail supplies because I don't have enough drawers. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all this stuff back in here. Okay guys, so I am done cleaning for today. It is already 9:13. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it ended up looking. Need to take out that trash and this one. Need to find something to put on that frame. And yeah, everything here is clean. Need to take that downstairs. And yeah, that also goes downstairs. So that is it. I have cleaned everything. Thank you guys for watching this tiny little vlog of how I clean my beauty room and what I do after I film a video. Pretty much just putting away all the clothes. If I have the energy to do so, sometimes I just leave the clothes there for like 3 or 4 days. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.